In this video, I'm going to teach you how to move Roblox to another drive. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you have to find out where Roblox is installed and go to that folder. The best way to do this, and the way I recommend, is to find the Roblox player shortcut you have on your computer, right-click it, and then select Open File Location from the drop-down menu. This works for all versions of Windows. As you can see, I'm doing this on Windows 11, but the process is exactly the same on Windows 10. After you open up the file location and you find out all the contents of Roblox, you just have to go back one folder and go back another folder. You should be able to see where Roblox is installed and see all the folders containing the game and everything else needed for the game to run. Now, open up another File Explorer window and find the drive where you want to move Roblox to. For example, if I want to move Roblox to this drive, I recommend creating another folder inside it and named something like Games or Roblox. In here, just drag everything from the original Roblox folder, and then you can either copy or cut it. So either press Ctrl+C or Ctrl+X if you want to remove the files from this original drive. Regardless of which you choose, just paste or move the files to the other drive and wait for it to be done. You will be able to run Roblox from the new drive as soon as all the files are moved. I hope I was able to help you on how to move Roblox to another drive. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.